Oh, hello, this is Tak Chung from Walk with Tak. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Welcome back. I cooked this dish based on the 4 attributes of my fast cooking system, which is flavor chasing, advanced prepping, stir frying, and template-based cooking. It is through advanced prepping I'm able to cook this dish efficiently, and through stir frying I'm able to cook with multiple ingredients at the same time. And through flavor chasing, I'm able to create the exact flavor that I enjoy. Last but not the least, template-based cooking allows me to cook with freedom and creativity. In this video, I would like to provide you with some insights into how I make the choices in cooking this dish. I start out by sauteing some ginger and some carrots. The hot oil extracts flavor from these ingredients. And next, I add a small amount of broccoli. This is where advanced prepping plays a critical role, because through advanced prepping, I'm able to add whatever amount that I would like to the dish. This is followed by the addition of some zucchini. At this point, I really want to stress the significance of advanced prepping in home cooking. Personally, my cooking moved to the next level after I started advanced prepping. With everything ready at my fingertips, cooking is far more fun, and I also become more creative. The next step in cooking this dish is to clear some space in the middle of the wok, and I add a little bit of oil to stir fry the chicken. This cooking approach allows me to give the vegetable a head start. This way, by the time when the chicken is cooked, the vegetable will be cooked to the texture that I like. As you can see here, the stir frying is a dynamic and flexible cooking process, and you can change the way how you cook depending on the outcome that you are looking for. Everyone will agree the texture is important to the flavor of the food ingredients. By adding food ingredients in different order, you have the potential to achieve perfect texture for every food ingredients in the dish. I believe what makes stir frying such a wonderful cooking technique because it is very instantaneously. You can monitor the cooking process constantly. It is also a very flexible cooking method because it allows you to make adjustments depending on the ingredients that you have. Also, with template-based cooking, you can create different combinations and ratios of the ingredients that you use in the dish. And when you come to flavor the dish, there are many different options. In this case, I'm going to start out by flavoring dish with a teriyaki sauce. This sauce is a pre-made sauce, therefore it makes it very convenient. All I need to do is pour some into the wok. However, with flavor chasing, you are free to make further modifications to the dish. In this case, I make further adjustment with a combination of oyster sauce and hoisin sauce. This is just a demonstration of how you can constantly modify the flavor of your dish with template-based cooking. In this case, you do not follow a strict recipe. Instead, you are constantly making changes and adjustments. This is what makes cooking fun and sustainable. For those items that you do not want to cook too much, you add it toward the end of the cooking process. This is another demonstration of the application of stir frying and template-based cooking. Finally, to return some of the flavor back to the dish that stick to the bottom of the wok, I use my spot cleaning method. As you can see here with my fast cooking system, you can cook this dish with efficiency and spontaneity. Cooking this dish is both fun and fast. It takes less than 5 minutes. With my fast cooking system, you are able to cook all from fresh and unprocessed ingredients in a very short amount of time. And the time you spend in the advanced prepping pays very good dividends. This dish not only tastes good, but it's also nutritionally balanced. However, most importantly, you are able to cook it exactly the way how you like it, and the more you do it, the better you will become. Another great advantage of stir frying is cleaning up. Because you only use one cooking utensil, that is the wok, that is all you need to do to clean up. The reason that I prefer stainless steel wok because it makes cleaning up much simpler and efficient. And because I use the spot cleaning method during cooking, that makes cleaning up afterward much easier. With my wok brush in combination with a Scotch-Brite scrub pad, cleanup is a matter of minutes. In this video, I would like to demonstrate the working of my fast cooking system. With flavor chasing, you can create a dish exactly the flavor that you like. With advanced prepping, you can cook a complex dish with efficiency. With stir frying, you can modify the cooking approach to suit your ingredients. And with template-based cooking, you can do it with creativity. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please click like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you next time.